The story is about letter G. In this, we have a house. Name of the house is Granny's home, where lived a very old granny with her granddaughter, Grace. Grace was a beautiful little girl who loved her grandmother, and grandmother loved Grace a lot. Grace used to come to Granny's home for her summer vacations. She used to help her out for different things at home and outside in the garden. Granny loved having Grace around. One day, Granny asked Grace to go and play in the garden. Grace was very happy and excited. She went towards the garden. The garden had a big golden gate. Grace opened the golden gate and started to walk in the garden. She saw a beautiful goat standing near a tree, eating grass. Two geese chit-chatting with each other, and a big tree of gooseberries, and a big plot of garden of guava trees. When she moved further, she saw beautiful vines of grapes. They were all hanging over her head, which tempted her. But all of a sudden, Grace could smell something very bad. She felt gross. Grace started to move towards the smell when she saw a pile of garbage lying around. All of the dirty things in the garbage were rotting. Grace was very upset. So she went to a cabin, wore her gloves, and started to clean the garbage. She got a garbage bag too, and she filled the garbage in the garbage bag. And then she went outside towards the road where all the garbage was supposed to be put for the garbage truck to load it and take it away. Once she was free, she went back inside. When Granny asked her, "Grace, did you play outside in the garden?" Grace said, "No, Granny, I could not play in the garden as I found a pile of garbage lying there. So I cleaned it all up. And now I have put it outside for the garbage truck." Granny smiled and said, "Oh, my little Grace, you are such an adorable child and very responsible too. I hope that I can also make you happy, because for you, I have prepared something very delicious." Grace smiled and clapped. She was so happy that she asked Granny, "What is it, Granny? Please quickly give me. What is it that you have prepared for me?" Granny got a glass of guava juice and offered it to Grace. Grace was giggling and laughing. She was very happy to see the juice. And she said, "I am very grateful to you, Granny. You are an amazing grandmother, and with you, I am the happiest. I wish my summers never come to an end, and you and I can live happily always in Granny's home." So this was the story of Granny and Grace. So now you all know how important it is to keep our surroundings clean. If we cannot clean something outside in the world, we can always start from home.